There are various ways to start making money online from the comfort of your home. Here are some popular methods. 1. Freelancing. If you have marketable skills such as writing, graphic design, programming, or virtual assistance, you can offer your services as a freelancer. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr can help you find clients and projects. 2. Online tutoring. If you are knowledgeable in a particular subject, you can become an online tutor. Platforms like tutor.com, VIPKid, and Chegg Tutors allow you to connect with students seeking help in various subjects. 3. Selling products or services. You can create your own online store and sell physical or digital products. Alternatively, you can offer services like consulting, coaching, or web design. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or WordPress can assist you in setting up your online store. 4. Affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and